AI coding apps are literally printing money right now. Apps like Lovable went from 0 to 10 million in ARR in just 2 months. In this video, we're gonna show you how to build your own apps like Lovable. There are 4 components behind apps like Lovable. The first component is the model client, and you could think of prompts as RPC calls. The second component is a sandbox or container where the code runs. The third component is an agent, which is a while loop coordinating state, prompts, and responses. And the last component is the front end, which talks to the agent over a WebSocket. Now the core loop looks like this. The user says what they want to build, the model writes some code, and the app renders live. Let's talk about the prompt. We're using BAML, which is a DSL that lets you define prompts as type functions. We treat prompts like code. They have inputs, outputs, and test cases. This is super useful because writing the right prompt is one of the most important parts about building an app like Lovable. Now, once we have the prompt dialed in, we spin up the backend. We'll use FastMCP as scaffolding and Beam Sandboxes to run our app in the cloud. The flow looks like this. The user enters a prompt, we clone a starter repo into an isolated sandbox, we install dependencies, and we start a dev server behind a preview URL. All of this happens inside a container that boots in seconds. Then the agent takes over. The agent is just a WebSocket server that listens to events from the front end. Each time the user gives feedback, we call the prompt again, update the code, and refresh the preview with the app. Now here's the final result. The user types, build me a YouTube clone, and the app writes the code, spins up the preview, and lets you iterate in real time. So that's how tools like Lovable actually work. And it's how your apps can work too. The link to the repo is below. It's entirely open source, and let us know what you build with it. We'll see you next time.